No, he's fine. I got it. Sorry about that, brother.
No, it's okay. I saw the black and I didn't know. So.
I understand. It's all good.
Some guys left over by that big outpost. I don't know what it's called.
Some of our guys and some of their guys.
Yeah, we left 3 guys defending a rally point.
Trigger discipline, Rob. Come on. I mean, never.
I skipped my
time. Right.
I was sick that day.
Yeah, you know, you're probably out smashing mailboxes. That's okay.
It. I was out smashing mailboxes that day. They said about that stuff.
Hit. Stop. Hit.
I'm safe, yeah. I dove into the bush.
You good at him?
I'm good. I'm good. I just can't get up because I know he's shooting me. Yeah, and then the guy was threatening to charge me with the HPA gun. I said, dude, that you'd be a fucking douchebag. Push down, push down.
Come back. They will come back.
Wrong way, Rob. Nope. No, they told us to run this way. Sorry about that, guys. Take a parlay. Alright, sorry about that. Chipmunk. See that fucker? It's fast. Tan sniper? Can't tell. I see a red beret.
I did not see or hear any heads, but shoot me! Shoot me twice. Alright. Yeah, I didn't. I would have heard something swack you guys with that thing.
Yeah, exactly, man. You want to play? Let's play, dude. Mouth off some more. Hit. Yeah, I did, dude.
I only asked because I was going to come charge and be like, ah!
No, you got me right there in the thigh, dude, when I was running between the buildings. That's all. You're good.
Good job.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, I know my scar jam. That's why I was doing the pistol.
Bring out a Nerf gun at that point.
Right. Oh, I found a shit bucket. Medical supplies. Hey, AJ. Hey, AJ.
Yeah, man?
Christmas came early.
I could be.
What's it for? Does it say? Doesn't.
Employee first aid. Alright. These are the ones your green beans better in that port over there.
Okay, so it means you can't take it?
No.
Damn. Alright.
No, it's already ours.
Oh, okay. See, this is why I like to look. Why do we always take the weirdest path back? I don't see anyone, do you? Well, good fun, man. Yep. Let's go.